Hello. Very much. Okay. My phone. Bye bye. Thank you. Okay. Bye bye. Yep. Hi everyone, I'm currently gonna take a train from Jakarta to Jogja and I'm at Gambir station. It's so crowded, I'm a little lost. Wanted to grab some Starbucks or food but I didn't have time, but the staff was really friendly.
Tujuan adalah stasiun Solo Harapan yang akan berhenti di stasiun Jakarta.
Wow, the train departed 1 minute earlier. Good, I didn't buy that Starbucks.
Atas nama PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero mengucapkan terima kasih atas kepercayaan Anda.
Hello, I just arrived at the massage parlor. First order of business is massage and I just want to say I'm so excited every time I take the motorbike. I am traveling alone, so I think the rest of my trips will all be motorbikes other than the ones that I go to the airport because I have my luggage. And so I'm going to treat myself to a aromatherapy massage for 1.5 hours. This is high quality gelato, but it's really sweet. And the best part is right beside the massage parlor. This place is really nice. The ambience, the decoration, the vibe. You can see the sunset behind me. This road is extremely bustling. There's many things happening at the same time. Many humans, shopping mall on one side, small boutiques on the other, people selling drinks and food on the road, and freaking horses on the same road as us. Weird because I feel like you don't see other Asians here. The only foreigners you see are Caucasians, so I find it really weird because I obviously do not look Indonesian. Okay.
Yeah, it's 200 meters, and then the first crossroad, you go right and meter, you find the blue house of batik, and then you can see the beautiful batik and
Oh, okay.
street.
In general, I think they sell around the same things like batik stuff, and the outside stores are more traditional, whereas if you go into the mall, they have more like modern batik.
Ini dulu, ya. Tapi satu ya. Oke. Ya.
Buying this egg thingy to eat again. There's another mini place here that you can go in to shop.
I love that say.
Talk about crowded. I did not expect myself to still queue when I'm in Jakarta. I'm in Yogyakarta. Hi guys, today has been crazy. I'm trying to like rush everywhere to show you guys more places. But I'm currently at the biggest shopping mall in Jogja. It's called Plaza Ambarrukmo, something like that. Yes, I'll link it here. And also I bought Indomie from gacoan, and I didn't even have time to eat it because I'm trying to cover the last two malls in 30 minutes. And the time now is 9:30, mall closes at 10. So I'll eat this later and I'll show you guys around the mall. Let's go! Just like to collect random cute things. This is a stand that I can use to do a to-do list daily. Guys, the time now is 10:07. The mall has officially closed and I am very tired, so I'm just chilling here. I'm currently at Plaza Ambarrukmo, and the mall that's nearby is called Mall Galleria. They turn off the lights, yeah. But anyway, I want to say that this mall is not really worth to go because most of the brands that they have here are brands that are available, more like international brands, and the stocks that they bring in is also not the best design. Like, I think the local shops that caught my eyes were KKV and some local boutique. Anyway, the guy just waved hi. Yeah, so other than that, they have some cute photo booth where you can take photo if you are here with your friends. They have Nike, Adidas. Again, the designs are not the best. Okay, it's a really huge mall. I just got a shock because it has like 60k reviews on Google. Everyone's telling people to come, that's why I came. But I'm telling you guys to not come, and I'd rather you guys spend more time. You know, I was at the gacoan just now to buy my noodles, and I'd rather you spend more time there to chill and eat, or because that's a really popular chain, or spend more time at Malioboro street too, you know, walk around instead of coming to a mall. No malls for city dwellers. Anyway, now it's 10 p.m. right, so I'm thinking of checking out 2 more cafes before I head home. I have an early morning tomorrow, so I wouldn't be home too late, but this is officially the first day of me exploring by myself. Kind of proud that I did it. You know, when you're alone, right, you actually realize how powerful you are, because when I was in Jakarta, you know, I have my friends' help and my friend's sister help, and then like, I can always text them if I need help. But here, I literally have no help, and I just have to, like, you know, book the car, find the motto, and find my way around. And also, they really don't speak English at all, so the the Gojek driver tried to talk to me and he said like, where are you from? In Bahasa, but I actually didn't understand. But you know, common sense, because it's like, what else would he ask me? So I actually went to Google Translate and searched like, where are you from? And I realized that it sounds the same. So I told him Singapore. And then after that, he continued asking me more questions. And then I was like, aku tak tahu, I don't really know. Yeah, anyway, I think they're closing the mall. Goodbye, guys.
Pikachu, pika pika.